We have seized electronic gadgets like laptops, mobile phone, computer hard disks. In addition to certain documents, we have seized and they are still under scrutiny.
So the Jubin Garg's mobile phone also been recovered?
Yes, that was with Siddharth Sarma and we have seized that mobile phone. Last night, he arrived from Singapore to Delhi airport and Delhi, at the airport, the immigrations arrested him immediately when he reported to the immigration counter. As far as singer Syam Kanu Mohanto is concerned, he was in Singapore and we had issued a lookout circular to the Bureau of Immigration so that whenever he tries to enter India, he would be apprehended. So last night, he arrived from Singapore to Delhi airport and Delhi, at the airport, the immigrations arrested him immediately when he reported to the immigration counter. And our team were already kept camping at Delhi for last few days and they took custody of him there. As far as Siddharth Sarma is concerned, he was hiding in Rajasthan, sometime in, we could gather that sometime in Haryana and Delhi. So after tracking him last night, we could also arrest him near Gurgaon while he was traveling.
Sir, since there were two cases related to Syam Kanu Mohanto, case number 18/25 and also 19/25, in which cases the remand has been given today?
Right now, in the 18/2025, we have arrested him and taken on remand. 19/25 was registered subsequently when on the basis of some documents recovered from his house. So that case is also under investigation, but for now we have arrested him in 18/2025, which is related to the incident that happened in Singapore.
So what are the seizures that has been made as far as, because earlier also you have raided the residence of both the accused and also some seizures were made today, electronic gadgets, etc.
We have seized electronic gadgets like laptops, mobile phone, computer hard disks. In addition to certain documents, we have seized and they are still under scrutiny.
So, is there any electronic evidence has been recovered in their possession from today, sir?
Yes, we have recovered mobile phones, laptops, etc., which are electronic gadgets.
So the Jubin Garg's mobile phone also been recovered?
Yes, that was with Siddharth Sarma and we have seized that mobile phone also.
Are you sending that to the CFLs?
Everything will be sent to concerned laboratory as and when we complete the seizure procedure.
So the Assam government has sent a proposal or a request to the Union Home Minister for this mutual amenity.
Yes, so certain investigation is required to be conducted in Singapore. As you know, the incident happened there. Since it's a foreign country, we cannot go and investigate as we investigate inside India. So we require their assistance, and there is a mutual legal assistance treaty with Singapore. And as per that treaty, we have already submitted a our request, what are the things that we require, assistance that we require from Singapore authorities, and that request has already been forwarded through Assam government and Ministry of Home Affairs to Singapore authorities. And we are in touch with them through Indian High Commission, and we will be taking further course of action on that.
So there were at least 11 individuals who are NRI. Are you also going to summon them to Assam, or you will be questioning them there in Singapore itself?
Yes, we are planning to summon them. We have in fact issued notices to them, but since they are based in Singapore, we cannot just directly go and serve notices to them. It has to be served through the Indian High Commission through MLAT that I have already mentioned, and through the Singapore authorities. So that process is already on, and certainly we are going to record statements and take further course of action.
So any statement recorded of the two accused who have been arrested?
Yes, that process is going on.
A few others have been also questioned the CID SIT team here also.
Yes, we have already questioned several persons in this connection.
Thank you.